Sicora-Ludwig.
Yes, Your Honor.
Matter was last before me on July 31st. I adjourned it for discovery. Listed for today so we can get a status conference. I must be still talking with the other attorneys. I saw him come back.
Here he is. I see Mr. Janskovich.
I'm here, Your Honor. Sorry.
Here you are. How are you, Mr. Janskovich?
I'm well, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's talk about Suzanne Sicora-Ludwig. I see Miss Ludwig on the screen. Miss Ludwig, you can unmute yourself if you care to do so. Mr. Janskovich, I'll hear you.
Robert Janskovich on behalf of the state, Your Honor. In connection with 1214Q530256 and the companion summons ending in 871. As the court is aware, this is a DUI matter. I've had an opportunity to conference this matter with Mr. Sermon, defense counsel, earlier today. It appears that there are a number of discovery items that are still outstanding, actually quite a few, Judge. Neither Mr. Sermon nor I have received an incident report on this matter, certain DUI reports, the blood results from the state police lab, amongst other things. It's my understanding that Mr. Sermon intends to submit a HOLLOP order to the court, and it would be my recommendation if the court would allow 60 days on that HOLLOP order should the court decide to grant it.
Okay, well, I'll wait to see the order, but I think that in the interest of moving this matter along, I'd rather give it a tighter tighter date. I'll adjourn it 45 days. I know the state police lab results are difficult to come by. However, I think with 45 days, perhaps, Mr. Janskovich, with your good relationship with the state police, maybe we can get it and move it along, but I want to keep a tighter rein on the dates. So,
Very good.
Mr. Sherman, you have anything you want to add?
No, Judge, I would just add for the record, I did request these materials several times. On 5/28, I sent a request with my initial letter of representation, which I copied on the New Brunswick Municipal Prosecutor's Office. On 7/8, I sent a follow-up email. On 7/26, I sent a follow-up email. And on 8/8, following our last court appearance, I did send another formal letter. I've received some materials, and everything I've received, I've provided to Mr. Janskovich. I think we have the same things right now, but there are a lot of things missing, including police incident reports, the audio recording of the telephonic warrant, as well as the lab litigation packet. I don't want to belabor the record with every little thing that's missing, but I did put it in the HOLLOP order, which I can email to Your Honor's court administrator right now, so that it can be signed today if it meets your standards as far as your review.
Well, send a copy to Mr. Janskovich so that he can review it. If he has no objection, I certainly will have no objection. But as I said, rather than 60 days, I'd rather give it 45 to hold the date closer to us. Okay.
Okay.
If you'll do that, that'll be fine. And we'll see you hopefully in another 45 days, if not sooner.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Sicora-Ludwig, your attorney's going to follow through to get the discovery that he wants. Unfortunately, there's some pieces of discovery that are slow in their processing. State police are notoriously slow with blood results, etc. But they will eventually do it, and we just have to be patient. So thank you. You can log off. Mr. Sherman, nice to see you again. Mr. Janskovich, I think you have one other lawyer. Have you finished with the Bernstein office?
No, I was
Thank you, Your
just
Honor.
dealing with Miss